Bhankana. I'm from West Bengal. I'm studying in R.R College of Pharmacy. This is the best college I have seen, and the environment over here is very good for studying. We have the best faculties, they are very friendly to us, and the hostel facilities are also very good.
I'm Sandeepa Karke from Nepal. I'm studying BSc Nursing. This college is very nice for nursing and all the facilities are very good.
I am Tejas. I am from Kerala. I am studying in R.R College of Nursing. Here we have the best faculties over here. They are very friendly to us.